Our shoulders are amazing, they help us move freely. But sometimes our shoulders get tight. This limits our movement and can even cause pain. The solution? Simple stretches. By taking a few minutes each day to stretch, we can unlock our shoulders' full potential. This will improve our mobility and enhance our overall well-being. The crossbody shoulder stretch is a simple yet powerful exercise that targets the muscles around your shoulder and upper back. It can be done anywhere, anytime, making it a versatile addition to your fitness routine. Here's how. First, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Relax your shoulders and ensure your posture is upright. Then, bring one arm across your chest, aiming to keep it straight and parallel to the ground. Use your other hand to hold it just above your elbow. This helps to stabilize the arm and deepen the stretch. Gently pull your arm across your body until you feel a stretch in your shoulder. Be mindful not to overextend or cause discomfort. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Deep breaths help to relax your muscles and enhance the stretch. Finally, repeat on the other side. Consistency is key, so incorporate this stretch into your daily routine for the best results. Why is this stretch so important? The crossbody shoulder stretch is a simple yet highly effective exercise that targets the muscles around your shoulder joint. Regularly performing the crossbody shoulder stretch offers numerous benefits. Not only does it enhance your flexibility, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining the overall health of your shoulder muscles and joints. It increases flexibility, which is crucial for a wide range of movements. Whether you're an athlete, a dancer, or someone who enjoys yoga, this stretch can help you achieve better performance and reduce the risk of injuries. It also helps prevent injuries by keeping your shoulders mobile and less prone to strains. This is particularly important for those who engage in repetitive shoulder movements, such as swimmers, tennis players, and weightlifters. Furthermore, this stretch can alleviate muscle tension and soreness, particularly after workouts or long hours at a desk. It's an excellent way to release built-up tension and promote relaxation in your shoulder muscles. Incorporating this stretch into your daily routine can significantly improve your shoulder health and overall mobility. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to this simple exercise, you can enjoy a greater range of motion, reduced pain, and a more active lifestyle. I used to suffer from stiff shoulders. It made exercise uncomfortable. Every time I tried to push myself, the pain would hold me back. I felt frustrated and demotivated, wondering if I would ever find a solution. It was a constant struggle, and I knew I needed to make a change. Then, I discovered the power of stretching. I started researching different techniques, and found that stretching could significantly improve my flexibility and reduce pain. I decided to give it a try, incorporating it into my daily routine. The crossbody shoulder stretch became a staple in my routine. The difference was amazing. Within a few weeks, I noticed a significant improvement. My shoulders felt less tense and I could move more freely. It was a game changer for me. My shoulders felt looser, my movements became smoother, and I felt more energized. I could finally enjoy my workouts without the constant discomfort. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders, both literally and figuratively. This experience taught me that small changes can make a big difference. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to stretching, I was able to transform my fitness journey. It was a powerful reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. It inspired me to share my knowledge and help others achieve their fitness goals. I started teaching stretching techniques to friends and family, and soon, I was leading group sessions in the park. Seeing others benefit from my experience was incredibly rewarding, and it motivated me to continue spreading the word about the importance of stretching. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Start incorporating the crossbody shoulder stretch into your daily routine. Feel the difference it makes in your mobility and overall well-being. Share your experience in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to prioritize our health and fitness. Like this post and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can create a movement of healthier, happier individuals.